To know when to listen, when to speak. To be present and to listen is a key. Chaotic kasi lahat sila naghahanap ng mask. Sabi ko, ano.
Good day, everyone. We are here today with Miss Giselle Hannah Ross, and together with my groupmates,
I'm Asher Malani from 2B Site.
I am Joycelyn Estolano from also 2B Site.
I'm Rosandra Cuba, also from 2B Site.
and I am Elisa Fong of 2B Site.
Have you encountered a disaster?
During the pandemic, maybe it was the disaster that I experienced. It was January 2020. So, very vivid yun because we are at the mall with my son. And then, parang lahat, it's chaotic kasi lahat sila naghahanap ng mask. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Tapos mausok. So, yun. At that time, na nasa mall kami nung anak ko. Sabi ko, siya, saan gagawin ko? Tapos wala na rin mga mask kasi nagkakagulo na nga yung mga tao. Sabi ko, sige, mamaya kami uuwi. Tapos, pero, I just keep myself calm because I cannot let my child be in trouble with my anxious, being ganyan.
Mayroon po bang psychological or something na nag-guide po sa inyo kung paano nyo po mako-cope up yung mga nangyayari tayo?
Like everybody else, syempre the pandemic was really a tough time for me. And siguro yung background ko with psychology has helped me to be able to cope. And also, because that was pandemic, the only thing that we had is the mobile phones, so in the social media. So that helped me cope. Yung mga vloggers na that would encourage you to keep moving forward despite the unknown, na hindi mo alam kung kailan matatapos, di ba? So, really that was helpful na nakikinig ako ng mga vlogs, ng mga reads, minsan yung ibang vlogs din na talagang nag-encourage lang na mag-exercise ka kahit sa bahay ka, or you have to keep up with the time na mahirap but you have to stay still, remain calm.
How do you personally respond to that motivated videos in
Personally, yun i-acknowledge mo na, ay, teka, ano nangyayari? Like, i-acknowledge within you na parang nagugulahan ako or what, natatakot ako, ganun. So, awareness that you have this na, teka, ano nangyayari? And then, presence of mind, syempre. Hindi ko pwedeng iwala yung presence of mind ko para sa anak ko. Like, even if I feel so unsure of what to do, kailangan nag-pretend pa rin ako na, ay, okay, hindi tayo sasabay sa kaguluhan nila ganun.
As a mother and also a guidance counselor, what is or a psychological aid can you give to your son, for example, or for someone around you with that impactful disaster?
What can I give to help? Yung psychological first aid that I do is to really listen to someone who's experiencing that disaster or concern, especially with my son. So, syempre, psych major, you really have to know when to listen, when to speak. Even if I'm not a counselor, the ability to be present and to listen is a key. Like, hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert with that. Presence of you being able to listen wholeheartedly to what the person is trying to say. Like, kapag sinabi niyang natatakot ako or kinakabahan ako, mama, ganun. And then I would say, yes, okay naman. The ability to assure that person na walang mali sa kung anong nararamdaman. So I think, all in all, yun yung first aid na kailangan na everybody who will be able to experience a disaster. Just to be with that person and allow him or her to experience the feelings. Yun, and hindi mo siya minamadali, huwag ka na matakot. Huwag ka na. So, I think it's in the rush to get away from the peak of the emotion. Yun yung trouble ng mga tao ngayon in terms of mental health. Like, pag sad ako, I can't be sad. Kailangan tapos na ako with that. But you have to honor your sadness. Namin mo muna. And then, after a while, when you're ready, you can feel the moment.